Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to edit a tweet on the Twitter. So if you are looking for how you can edit any tweet on the Twitter, so watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So many people are searching about it, how anyone can edit their tweet. If we click on the three dot icon right here, there is no option to edit a tweet. Here you can find only a pin to profile, delete tweet and other options. So there is no way to edit a tweet. Only the way is that you can simply delete this tweet and again upload a tweet, because this option is not available by the Twitter application. I mean, this feature is not available on Twitter. So this is the only way you can delete a tweet and upload a new tweet. Many websites or the third party application claiming that you can edit your tweets from their platform, but they are stealing your account by using your email and the password. Don't go for that. There is no way to edit the Twitter tweet. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.